traders. All right, and so thought I'd give you guys an update just to see what is going on. I mean, let's look at the hour time frame for a minute. Ethereum. This stall-like behavior. Yes, we're operating at the highs. Prices edged towards the 50 EMA on the hour time frame. Now, everyone's hyped up now. Okay, you've got the NFTs going crazy. You know, the utility of Ethereum is being exercised at its best. All right, the whole thing is being used across the board. We've got the issue with Bitcoin dominance now, below 50%. I mean, there are factors that are contributing towards Ethereum's move to continue to the upside. But yet still don't trust the move. The thing is, what you need to look at is this. When Ethereum is rising in the nature that it is, at some point you need to expect the retrace to occur. Now, because the retrace is back to the moving averages, or should I say the 50 in this instance, they haven't been really strong enough. All right, granted, we had this little drop here, okay? And now we've had this move back up, and I'm not really seeing market maker conviction. I'm not seeing that they're favoring higher prices. But then saying that, the whole thing could just go flip side, and then at a moment's notice, she could continue further up. Things are starting to stall. Now, most people, this is usually what happens when the general consensus of everyone is feeling, long, bullish. Why are you talking about going short? Because I need to prepare. All right. Remember, when a market maker is building shorts, all right, he has to keep the illusion that the moon boys or the guys who have got the longs, he needs to get them to relax. He needs them to start becoming complacent. He needs them to start feeling like they're in safe waters. All right? Seen this sort of behavior many times before. This is motivated by a lot of fundamentals. But what a perfect time for the market maker to switch shit up. Isn't that the best time? Trap the liquidity at its highest possible area. The general consensus is everyone is buying Ethereum. Everyone is using Ethereum. All right? I don't trust this move. And usually what happens is, most will challenge it. Most will say what you're talking about. We're in the long run. We're running up. Bitcoin's dropping. Dominance is out the window. It's all going to favor the alt season. Fair enough. But I'm expecting a very aggressive retracement. Very aggressive one. And you will see the move. All right. Just ask yourself the question. At what point does the market maker want the retail trader to believe that he's winning? Because right now the retail trader thinks he's winning. Okay. And that's the best time for the market maker to make his move. It's the best time. Why? Because the liquidity is trapped. All right. Everyone's committed. Everyone is like, yeah, Ethereum to 3,000. Granted, she could go to 3,000. All right. And what I'm saying could be a pile of shit. But this is what I'm talking about, adding caution to caution. As you Patreons, okay, my goal is to effectively get this information over to you so it's there in your mind. Whether price continues further up or not, the whole point of the matter is this. You are geared with the right tools to make the decision for yourself. It's on you guys. All right. This behavior is not normal. Continuous pumps. All right. Am I favoring a bias? Well, I'm not favoring the short, but what I'm saying to you is you need to be prepared. You're operating in the realm of uncertainty. Anything can happen. Okay. This happened last week. Ethereum was moving up, and then out of nowhere, what she achieved in 3 days disappeared in 1. I'm just saying, add caution to caution. It's the only way you're going to survive in this game. Can you imagine how many people right now have gone long? Can you imagine the leverage that is up there, trapped on every single platform out there right now? Binance, Bybit, they can see where the liquidity is. It's their platform. It's no different to MT4, no different to any other platform. The dealer sees where the money is. Okay? Then at a moment's notice, it could all disappear and price drops. Everyone will think it's the pullback. Everyone will think it's the retrace. So they'll double up. What great time for the market maker to completely capitalize on this movement. That's all I'm saying to you guys. A lot of people are starting to ask questions. Are we, throwing a few jokes around? Are we still short? Are we still short? This is usually the typical response to the people that are blind with buys. They are blind with the upside potential. It's the guys that are sitting back on this behind the scenes saying this isn't right. We need to see a retrace. We need to see a consolidation. Market maker needs to make his money. Because right now, market maker isn't making money. He's adding. He's fulfilling people's obligations to contracts. He's making that market happen. Can we see a small head and shoulders here? If you look at last week's pattern from Ethereum when she dropped, look. From this point, where was the pattern? It was just a sharp snap, drop, shark fin, drop down. This is what I'm trying to help you guys to be aware of and be prepared for. Okay? This bit here. Could it happen here? The fact that the 50 EMA is so close to price tells me that if they do decide to move down lower, they will break through the 50 like no tomorrow. So there won't be any time for a consolidation. Do you understand? There won't be a time to buy the dip. You'd be working out how to get in short. Everyone's going to make a run for money. That's all I ask of you guys. Add caution to caution. Peace.